Welcome back, everyone. This is your quick and effective, beginners-friendly, low-impact cardio workout. We will begin with march in place, so let's build a good form and burn some calories today. Take a look at your demo and let's crush this. So we begin with march in place together. I want you to start to pay attention to your amazing forms and alignments. So bring your knees higher, keep the chest up and lifted, and use your arms so we can wake up and warm up our body even quicker. And while we're doing this first exercise, I'm gonna give you a quick heads up what to expect from this workout session today. We have 9 exercises total to complete, and we're working on timer, guys. Keep on moving, pick up the pace a little bit with me, bring those knees high, keep on breathing. Very good, guys. We have about 10 seconds to finish this exercise, and I'm gonna move to the next one. We're gonna slow down and lift one knee at a time, and we're gonna add the bicep curl to it. Let's do it, guys. All the way. So by bringing those knees high, you definitely working your cardiovascular system, your heart. We're working on arms a little bit here, no weights, but still. And we definitely activating our abs. So if you need to slow down a little bit, definitely do that. And if you can follow along, that would be great. All right, guys. I can feel my heart rate coming up. Keep on moving. Give me a good quality, defined bicep curl, guys. Good quality, defined knee lift. And keep on breathing through, all the way through. This is it. We have about 10 seconds already to finish this one. And we're gonna move to the next one. Open step with the punch. So join me, guys, when you're ready. I'm not gonna go super quickly, just quick enough for quality execution of each and every movement, guys. Keep on working. Breathe. This is it. In this exercise, I want you to pay attention to your chest lifted. Make sure you don't fold your shoulders forward and slouch those. Give me a quality punch. Power through that punch. Like you punch in, we talked about that through the wall. Add an extra little rotation through the waistline so we can continue to work on our abs and slender waist. Keep on working, guys, keep on moving. About 5 seconds to finish, and I will bring a little bit intensity up. This is it, guys, with me. Soften those knees. Make sure that you bend your knees a little bit deeper than in the previous exercise. That will work our legs. That's definitely working our cardio. And some arms as well. Keep on moving, guys. This is it. Heart is pumping already. Stay with me. Perfect. We have about 25 seconds for this exercise already. Time is flying super quickly when we're working hard, right? This workout seems ideal if you're coming back from the long break, if you don't have time and have only 12 minutes to move. Something better than nothing, right? Keep on moving, guys. Prepare for the step out squat team with me when you're ready. Out. All the way. This is more demanding on the legs. So if you need to slow down, please do, guys. All the way. Breathe. This is it. I am so proud of you. Perfect. A little bit lower. What I want you to pay attention is to squat, guys. Into the heels, into the glutes, and thrust back up through those heels as well on the way up. Stay with me. I know, legs on fire. This is it. We have about 10 seconds to finish, and I'm gonna move to the next exercise. That's gonna be your ankle tapas. We're gonna step wider, begin your work. My heart rate is on fire, definitely, so stay with me. When you do this exercise, I don't want you to look down. I want you to look straight forward. Maybe you have a mirror, or if you don't, just look straight forward. Right at me, don't look down. If you're gonna look down, you will round your back and slouch your shoulders. That will restrict your oxygen flow. We don't want that to happen. All right, keep on working. Bring those ankles higher, guys. A little bit more. This is it. Stay with me, stay with me. We have about 10 seconds to complete this exercise. This is perfect. 5, 4, 3. Prepare for your 2 feet together, guys. Squat. Drive those arms overhead. That will definitely keep our heart rate elevated. Brace your core. Squat into the heels. This is it. Excellent. Stay with me. We're almost through already. Can you believe this quick and effective cardio workout? Your cardio, daily cardio, is so important. If you don't have 30 minutes to do it, at least 10-15 minutes a day will keep your heart healthy. Keep on working. All right. This is it, guys. Into the heels, into the glutes. Very nice. We have about 5 seconds to finish, and we move into the next exercise. Your courtesy lunges with rotation, guys. Come on out, in it. Out, and outside. In this exercise, we not only working our legs, obviously, but we also targeting our back and our abs here. Try to go a little bit deeper to your courtesy lunges. This is it. Perfect form, everyone. Keep that chest lifted. Breathe. On exhalation, give me quality rotation. I got you, team. We have about 10 seconds, and this is it for this one. Perfect. All right, awesome. Last one for the win. All right, crew. We're gonna go for the march in place to cool down and a couple lateral stretches together, so I can let you go with your day. Keep on moving. Bring those knees up and high. I know you probably broke the sweat already. If you need to repeat this workout one more time, it's here for you. And from 12 minutes of cardio, that will become your 25. Keep on moving, guys. Slow down. Slow down. Go ahead and step wider and reach all the way. Up and overhead, crew. Up and overhead. I'm so proud of you. Go ahead and switch the direction. All the way, reach up and over that head. Arm long and extended. Very good. Come on up all the way. Bring your both feet a little bit closer. Inhalation, team. Exhalation, as always, outstanding work, guys, especially my beginners. Rest well, recover well. Don't forget to subscribe and enable your bell button so I can remind you to stay on top on your daily fitness, to build more strength with a lightweight. Check out this video, and I will see you all tomorrow.